Hello, welcome to another video by LSX Engines Tuning and Marine. In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick to keep from spilling a bunch of gear oil when you're moving outdrive off of an inboard-outboard boat. So this is the gear oil reservoir, and it's up high on the front. So it's feeding the oil by gravity through this rubber line right here, all the way back to the outdrive through the transom. So if you leave it in this position, because of gravity, it's going to flow a bunch of oil out until you, there's a check valve on the transom side of the outdrive that will stop the oil, but until you get past probably about half an inch from pulling the outdrive off the transom, it's going to leak oil. So to stop that, I found out or learned that you can take this reservoir loose and take it and lower it down to the same level or below of where the pipe goes out the transom to the outdrive. That way it's no longer being gravity fed, and if you loosen this cap is a one-way cap. It'll let air in, but it won't let air out. So it might be under a little pressure. Last one I did was under slight pressure. So what I do is I take this reservoir loose, take it down, lower it down, like set it down over here, and then loosen the cap so there's no pressure in the system. So that's what I'm about to do. That's a little trick I learned to help from making a big mess when you take an outdrive off of outboard or off of a transom. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel.